Shout out everyone! Dito tayo sa CNC Cafe. Dito sa 20 JP Rizal Street, Barangay Balite, Montalban, Rizal. Another newly opened cafe na may magandang ambience. Katabi lang sila ng Caltex gas station. Kaway-kaway! Very friendly sila dito. Available ang blended beverages starts at 150 pesos. Iced beverages starts at 120 pesos. Souffle, kaya toast, hot beverages, and pasta. Shalayan, sarap naman tumambay dito.
Wow!
Open sila ng every Sunday ng 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. at 24 hours naman pag Friday to Saturday. Last June 3 lang sila nag-opening. Nag-order kami ng Oreo blended and hot caramel macchiato. Let's sip! Masarap ang beverages nila dito.